Welcome to the Tiny Tutor. We're very professional today because we're sitting in chairs. What else is different in our video today about your mouth? Oh, we're missing a tooth in the front. Welcome to tutorial number
9.
The
Writing sort.
The writing sort, which sounds kind of like the word sort because it kind of is like the word sort. How is it alike? How is the writing sort like the word sort, Mac? Both sorts use vowel families you're working on, or categories of words you're working on. But in the word sort, you're going to move them around with the cards, like you've already seen if you watch our channel. And in the writing sort, you're going to write them, right?
Yeah.
When do you do the writing sort? Duh. After the word sort. We need a pen or a writing utensil or a marker. We need our primary composition book.
That's a marble book.
A marble book, we like to call it. And we need some categories of words. So parents, this is just like the word sort. Where are you going to get your categories? I would do anywhere from 2 to 5. 2 is okay, 5 might be too many. Today we're going to do 3. So you can use categories from words they're working on at school or categories of words they're having trouble with in their reading at home. Mac has been working on long vowels versus short vowels. So we're going to do 3 categories with 2 categories of short A endings and 1 category of long A words. If you have a younger kid who is just starting to work on the alphabet, you could do categories of beginning consonants. If you have a kid who's just starting to work on short vowels, you could do different categories of the same short vowel. Step 1 is to get your notebook and come up with your categories. And you will see this here. We have our 3 categories. We have ack, we have ang, and ache. How many of these are short vowels, Mackenzie? Ack, ang. And then this is a long vowel. This is words that end with ache. How do we know it's a long A? What's at the end of it that tells us it's going to be long? A magic E. So step 1 is to make your categories. Step 2 is to say the words and mix them up. Who says the words? Me, the tiny tutor. The parent. The adult. Who writes the words? The Mac. The kid. The student. I'm going to say a word and Mac is going to write that word in the proper category. Your first word is bake.
It's
Bake.
short.
Say the word. Say the word.
It is ache.
No, is that ache or is that ack?
Ah.
Ack. Bake. A. There we go. You'll all see how I just gave her a prompt. That is how you can correct them. She was about to put it in ack, and I redirected her to put it under ache. Bake. Excellent. Your next word is back. I like to do words that are closely related. Bake versus back. Excellent, and Mac is putting it right under ack.
Right back.
Guess what your next word is?
What?
Mac. You better get this one right. It's always fun to put familiar words, names, and such.
As long as it's in the category.
As long as it's in the right category. Your next word is sang. Sang. Like I sang you a song. Excellent. You want them to be successful, so please redirect them if they're not putting it in the right spot. Okay, and our next word is snake. Long A. Excellent. And our next word is rack. Rack. R-ack. Rack. Good job. Good girl. Excellent. Rang. Rang. I'm going to do about 4 words in each category, and I have 3 categories. Make. Long A or short A? A. Make. Excellent. Yep, that's our long A category. You want to reinforce it all by having them read what they've written. I'm going to move my marker down. The first time I like to read it with her, just like you did in the word sort, and the second time she can read it herself. Back, mac, snack, rack. Ang, sang, bang, rang, hang. Ache, bake, snake, rake, make. Your turn.
Bake.
Oh,
Back.
good.
Mac. Snack. Rack. Sang. Bang. Ring. Hang. Bake. Snake. Rake. Make.
That is the writing sort. Thank you for joining us for tutorial number 9, making it with our hands. We'll see you next time on the Tiny Tutor, where
tiny
steps have big effects.
We never really usually say
We
that.
haven't said that in so long, and they do. These were tiny steps today, but they're going to have some big effects. See you later.